Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today, I've just got a real short unboxing. Something come in from Amazon I wanted to share with you guys. We'll do a review on it down the road. First thing though, I just wanted to thank all of the channel members. Thank you all so much. And I wanted to invite any of you who are coming through, who watch the content. I appreciate you more than you know. And I would love it if you chose to subscribe to the channel and to hit the bell notification so you can stay caught up with the content that I release, my live streams, unboxings, things like that. But let's get into this. This is a little, we'll just see. It's a little surprise from Amazon, and the unboxing knife is the Brian Brown Raptor V2 Smoky Mountain Edition. Which, by the way, guys, this knife is on sale, or was on sale, at Smoky Mountain Knives for over $100 off the other two color variations. And I guess it's because the green is not all that for a lot of people. But for me, I like it. I dig it. And let's get this open. And see what we've got here. All right. So, guys, as you know, I carry and love knives. I deal with pry bars and other EDC gear that I usually keep in my bug out bags. I don't always carry it on my person. And I've been looking for that perfect EDC uh, flashlight, right? I've been going through some of the different lamps that I've tried out, the Archers, my MTEX, my, of course, Mayor Salt's favorite O-Lights, and then my new favorite form factor, the RovyVons with the one push on. And so what I've been looking for, this has been my daily driver, but it's just a little bit on the thick side to go in my pocket. So I keep it up here by my review stuff. And what I picked up today, or that came today, I'm a little curious on how the size is going to work out. This is another titanium Olight. And this is the RovyVon A24 tie, the Aurora A24 tie. So it is smaller in lumens, smaller in diameter, but just a tiny bit longer in overall length from the A2. But for me, let's see, unlock it. Let's see, I wonder how it's locked off here. All right, as much as I hate to, I'm going to have to break out. Looks like we've got a clip with a magnet on it. Looks like we've got some key rings. And most importantly, our little tiny writing book. So let me just see real quick how to turn it off lock, because this one does have a lock feature with button 2. Unlock with the light lock. Long press. Okay. So this is a 2-button configuration where all my other RovyVons are 1 button. But the second button here is simply a lockout feature. So allegedly, if I hold this for 3 seconds, let's see. Button 1, lock with the flashlight, switched on, press for 5 seconds to lock. All right, so the operation blah, blah, blah. All right, unlock with the light locked, long press, 3 seconds to unlock. All right. All right, so that's moonlight mode. Constantly on, rapid double click. Okay, this is not going to be as easy because I'm having to do more than one click. So double click and then constant on, change modes to cycle through medium, low, medium, high, high, low, medium, high, high. All right, so it looks like one click gets you to moonlight mode on the main button. 2 clicks gets you to that constant on. What I don't see in this feature that I love in my other RovyVons, and I'll give you more on the review, is that just simply press to get it to turn on. Let's see, blah, blah, blah. Super and hold. Mercy modes, double click. Yeah, guys, I'll have to do again. This is the A24, and this one is an updated version, the S3. So maybe the functionality is just a little different. I like the size. I'm kind of big into that. Pop this clip on it, flip down. Let's see if the tail cap's magnetic. It's not, but on this one the little bezel is magnetic, or the clip is magnetic. So guys, that is the RovyVon unboxing of the A24 Ti. So the only other Ti one, well, there are other Ti ones in the dual fuels, but they make a Ti version in this size factor. But I've already got this in aluminum. Do I really need Ti? I love this one because it's got the single push, double push to keep it on and cycle through your brightnesses. However, this one's only 600 lumens, which is really enough. But you know, I'm a knife addict, right? I'm a gear addict. I'm a EDC addict. I'm just a recovering addict who now does stupid shit with flashlights and knives instead of other crazy shit. But guys, that is an unboxing from an Amazon buy. I will put a link in the description to where I got it. And then if you look at just search titanium RovyVon, you'll see both of these lamps and some other, the little small one that I also like. But guys, thank you so much for hanging out, for checking out the video, for checking out the unboxing. I appreciate you all. I only ask that you please look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. No, I love you all. Peace.